Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. I know मैं काफी टाइम बाद कोई रिव्यू हॉल कर रही हूँ, but I found such amazing pieces for this wedding season that I had to do it. आज की वीडियो में मैं सिर्फ 4 आउटफिट्स रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ, but I loved all of them. मतलब मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत ही अच्छे पीसेस मुझे रिसीव हुए हैं, and I'm sure by the end of this video you'll love it too. So let's get started. So, before starting, there are a few things that I would like to mention. First thing you should do before purchasing is to decide your budget. Not for just wedding season, for anything that you are purchasing, you should definitely know your budget so that you don't regret in future. Also, it is so important because the outfit for wedding season starts from 400 to 500 to lakhs. So it's such a variation that you have to find your own budget price so it can act as your own filter. The second point is to be always on lookout for the trends. To get to know the trends, you can follow the famous Indian designers and look out for specific things that each designer is doing. सेकेंड, आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए कि आपको किस टाइप का आउटफिट चाहिए, लाइक यू वांट प्योर इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट, इंडो वेस्टर्न आउटफिट और जस्ट अ वेस्टर्न आउटफिट. So it saves times and you don't end up getting frustrated, which happens a lot. People get so confused and frustrated while shopping. One extra tip, you should always be on lookout for trends, and the best way to spot trends is to follow the biggest designers. So आज की वीडियो में मैं कुछ ऐसे एलिमेंट्स की बात करने वाली जो कि मैंने टॉप इंडियन डिजाइनर्स की 2025 कलेक्शन में ऑब्जर्व की. फर्स्टली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस ब्यूटीफुल मस्टर्ड एंड बर्nt ऑरेंज कलर शरारा सेट. It's perfect for haldi. First, let's talk about the sharara. The fabric is muslin. This outfit is made for the Indian skin tone. The color combination is so good. The price for this sharara set is 2,700 rupees. It's from the brand Debaco. The size that I'm wearing is size S. इसमें पीछे इलास्टिक दी गई. इसका फिट बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can see in the video how this looks. We have got 2 pockets in this sharara. Who doesn't love pockets? This sharara set is perfect combination of traditional charm and modern comfort. The best thing about this sharara set is the mirror work detail at the neckline. I absolutely loved it. This screams festive. I love the colorful detailing that they've given at the neck. This is the back design. Also इसकी sleeves पे और जो शरारा set के bottom पे है, they've given this design. It looks so good. The fabric is so soft. It's so good. To match the vibe of the kurta, I wore these oxidized earrings with mirror work on them. Next is this sharara set that I have got from Anthea. It is so pretty. It's beyond my expectation. मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचा था कि मुझे इतना अच्छा पीस रिसीव होगा. The fabric is good, the design is good, and the fit is good. It is a perfect combination, and I'm absolutely loving it. So let's first see the top. The color is emerald green. It's such a pretty color. I absolutely loved it. Perfect for mehendi. This is an asymmetric top. You can see in the video how this looks. I absolutely love the sleeves. The sleeves are so pretty, and look at the stonework that's been done on these sleeves. Let me show you with a closer look. This is the design that's given at the back. मुझे इस पे जो वर्क है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आया. प्रोडक्ट देख के मुझे लगा नहीं था कि इतना सुंदर काम होगा इस पे, बट for the price it's absolutely amazing quality. I'm so glad to receive it. Yeah, the size that I'm wearing is XS. Its price is 2,483. So this time I was looking for, my budget was around 3,000 rupees. It has this flared sharara. Look at the flare. इसके पीछे इलास्टिक दी गई है. सो फिट इसका बहुत ही अच्छा है. आप वीडियो में देख सकते हैं. इट हैज़ अमेजिंग फिट और फिनिश इज़ वेरी क्लीन फिनिश इट है. और इसके साथ आपको 2 पॉकेट्स भी मिल जाएंगी. Fabric is good, it's stylish, it's a mix of traditional and modern look. So you can not only wear it for mehendi but also for any other pre-wedding function that you like. You can even wear it for a sangeet as well. I wore these earrings as you can see in the video. It looks so pretty. Love the little jhanjars. Such a beautiful design. This looks so pretty. Next comes this black and gold sharara set. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this and I'm definitely keeping it. It's so worth the price. The price for this sharara set is just 1900. Can you believe it? It's so rich, regal look. I absolutely loved it. This is a statement outfit. The one who designed this outfit definitely deserves a raise. And for this price, I can't believe that I've got such a deal. Like for this festive season, this is a must have. Also, they have some other pieces in the same collection, but I like this one the most, so I got this one to try it out. Guys, that I'm wearing is XS. So first, let's talk about the trousers that we've got. Look at this brocade design, it's so pretty. We have got an elastic at the back and a perfect finish in the front, and the fit is absolutely amazing. We have got two pockets in this as well. Look at this. You can see in the video how the fit looks on me. The combination of black and gold, what a timeless combination. It's absolutely lovely. This outfit is perfect for Sangeet. I love the kurta. They have given such amazing design. I absolutely loved it. They have given these puffy sleeves. Looks so good. Love the front design. I can't show you. Let me show you like this. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. I'm not sure if it looks that good or not right now, but you can see in the video how this looks. इसका जो नीचे वाला fabric इन्होंने दिया, it's such flowy fabric. ये मतलब it's flowy, it's breezy, it's so good, it looks perfect. आप और आगे आपको इन्होंने front slit दिया है. Also, they have sides. It has side slit and front slit as well. You can see in the video how this looks. It looks amazing. I wore the sharara set with these statement earrings, and these elevated my look. Love the jhanjar. Next comes the showstopper, the lehenga set that I've got. It's absolutely lovely. और अगर आप दिन की शादी अटेंड कर रहे हो तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगने वाला है. सबसे पहले हम बात कर लेते हैं इस स्कर्ट की. Look how colorful this is. I love the color combination. It's a mix of warm and cool tones. It's a mix of coral pink, turquoise blue, this beautiful yellow color, the blush pink, and this beautiful floral design. Overall, it looks so beautiful. Also, at the you can see they have given a border as well. It looks perfect. They have given these strings for perfect fit. You can see in the video how it fits me like a glove. यहाँ पे एक zipper भी दिया गया है इसके साथ में, and the fit is really good. This outfit is also for those who are looking for something modest yet playful and vibrant. So if vibrant is your energy, then this outfit is definitely for you. Next comes the blouse, which is actually a peplum style top. How beautiful this is. They have given full sleeves. Lehenga set is from Sassafras. The price I'll mention here. The size that I'm wearing is XS. So I styled this with these earrings that I got from Meesho. I'll also give the link to these as well in the description box. You can check that out. These look so pretty. And this wedding season, hair accessories are the trend. So I got this beautiful hair accessory from Meesho. It's so pretty. They had a lot of options, but I prefer this one because I recently have short hair, so it looks perfect in my hair. You can try something different. I'll give the link to all of these products as well in the video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have anything to ask, then drop a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you guys later.